Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today the 2025 Citroën Type Ami is redefining urban mobility with its ultra-compact design, eco-friendly performance, and affordability. As cities become increasingly congested and environmental concerns grow, Citroën has positioned the Ami as a solution for modern urban transportation. This microcar is more than just a mode of transport, it's a statement about the future of city driving. At first glance, the Ami's design is unmistakably unique. Its boxy, symmetrical body is both futuristic and practical, featuring identical front and rear panels to reduce manufacturing costs. The minimalist approach continues with its lightweight build, ensuring it remains nimble on city streets. Measuring just 2.41 meters in length, it is incredibly easy to park, making it perfect for crowded urban environments. Large windows provide excellent visibility, while the simple yet functional cabin is designed for two passengers to travel in comfort. The Ami is powered by an all-electric drivetrain, making it a zero-emission vehicle that aligns with global efforts to reduce carbon footprints. Its 6 kilowatts 8 horsepower electric motor might seem modest, but it provides enough power for city driving, reaching a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour 28 miles per hour. The compact battery allows for a range of up to 75 kilometers 47 miles on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for daily urban commutes. Charging is incredibly convenient, as the Ami can be plugged into a standard household outlet, taking just 3 hours to reach full capacity. Affordability is one of the Ami's biggest selling points. Citroën has designed this microcar to be an accessible alternative to traditional cars, scooters, or even public transportation. In some markets, the Ami can be leased or subscribed to via a monthly plan, making it an attractive option for younger drivers and those who need a simple, cost-effective urban vehicle. Additionally, in several countries, it can be driven without a full driver's license, opening the door for a wider range of users, including teenagers and those without conventional car licenses. Inside, the Ami keeps things simple yet functional. The cabin features essential controls, a small digital display, and storage compartments optimized for city life. While it doesn't have a high-tech infotainment system, it does support smartphone integration, allowing drivers to use their devices for navigation and music. Despite its compact dimensions, Citroën has cleverly designed the interior to maximize space, ensuring a surprisingly comfortable ride for both occupants. Safety is also a consideration, even for such a small vehicle. While it's not equipped with advanced driver assist features found in larger cars, the Ami's enclosed cabin offers better protection than a scooter or bicycle. Its small footprint ensures easy maneuverability, reducing the chances of accidents in tight spaces. The 2025 Citroën Type Ami represents a shift in how people perceive urban mobility. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so efficiently, sustainably, and affordably. As cities evolve and adapt to greener transport solutions, vehicles like the Ami are becoming increasingly relevant. Whether used for short commutes, car-sharing programs, or eco-conscious urban transport, the Ami is setting a new standard for micro-mobility. With its bold design, practical features, and user-friendly approach, it's clear that Citroën has created something truly unique, proving that bigger isn't always better when it comes to city driving.